This is Peppa Pig. She wants to have a popcorn party. But there's just one problem. She does not know how to make popcorn. Look, it's Peppa's brother, George. Say, what have you got there, George?
It's a popcorn recipe. We need popcorn kernels, heat, and salt.
Here comes Peppa with the popcorn kernels. Wow, Peppa, you're so strong. Way to go.
And here's the popper. Wow, George, how'd you get up there?
All right, Peppa, it's time to pour in the kernels.
It looks like we've got enough. Go ahead and turn it on, Peppa. The kernels are jumping. When will they pop?
Hey, did you see that?
I saw it too. There it is again. Oh, it's still going. It looks like it's popping.
Wow, that's cool.
I like it too. Uh-oh, it's filling up.
Oh no, it's gonna explode.
Popcorn explosion. What do you think about that, George?
That looks yummy. Yum, yum, yums in my tum tum tums. Yay!
It's like magic.
It smells so good. It needs sprinkles.
It also needs salt.
Go ahead, dig in.
Hold on. Peppa and George forgot something. What do you think it might be? Oh, I know! Friends! You can't have a party without friends.